Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious white chocolate mousse. Here I have 1 teaspoon gelatin. To that I added 1 tablespoon milk room temperature. Mix and set it aside to bloom. This is 3/4 a cup milk. At the same time, while the milk is heating, I will melt the chocolate on a double boiler. The chocolate is melted. Add hot milk to the chocolate and whisk vigorously. After the chocolate is completely incorporated, add gelatin and whisk until it's completely dissolved. Then set it aside for a few minutes before you pour it. After that, put it in the fridge to set before decoration. I'm using crushed crackers. You could use nuts, and also you could decorate more with shredded coconuts. And thank you for watching.